The German engineering is the pinnacle of automotive advancements. With luxury being their priority, the elements of requirements to a customer has always been next level.
The city of the sun, you could have stayed, it's only overwhelmed.
We wonder what ignites in a person to purchase a 45-year-old Mercedes as a project. We would agree that's just for the sake of it, but we could be wrong. This is the story of a car reliving its glorious life after a full restoration in Sri Lanka.
To leave it all behind. Raise your
Today, we feature this elegant 1975 Mercedes Benz W115. The body panels were rusted in many places and speed holes were visible. To get the car to its original condition, a lot of work was needed. For the better finish, the car was sandblasted and then the tinkering was done to achieve this final look. Finding parts for this timeless classic is hard. Fortunately, according to the owner, he was able to find many parts from UK, like the mandatory badges and the nickel trim pieces.
raise your power, yeah. To raise your power, To raise your power, To raise your power.
The sound of the engine is a roaring Mercedes-Benz powerhouse with a manual gear transmission. Quite impressive of the way it feels as well. To the owner, the most interesting thing with this Benz is the whole restoration process, a passion which we feel as well.
Behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, yeah.
Like the old saying, there's luxury, then there is Mercedes-Benz luxury. It is truly something special we all admire.